Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make an amazing peanut rice. Very simple and easy to make using simple ingredients easily available at home. In our lunchbox today, we have some absolutely delicious peanut rice and a cooling cucumber raita to go with it. I have cooked here 1 cup of raw Sona Masuri rice. So first we will take it out into a bowl and allow it to cool. Add a spoon of your regular cooking oil and allow it to cool. Now in a kadai, add half a cup of raw peanuts. Roast them till they are crisp and done. After a few minutes, add about 4 to 5 dry red chillies and dry roast them also along with the peanuts. When the peanuts have roasted well, add in half a cup of grated coconut and dry roast that also along with the other ingredients. You can use grated coconut, or if you just have coconut into pieces, you can use that also, because anyhow we are only going to grind them once again. If you say, Amma, I don't have fresh coconut, can I use dry coconut or copra? Definitely you can use that also. See, now the peanuts, dry red chilies and coconut have all roasted well. We can switch it off. Transfer it into a plate and allow it to cool. When it cools down to room temperature, we will grind it into a slightly coarse powder in a blender jar. It has cooled down to room temperature. Add some salt as required. Now we will grind it into a powder. See the consistency, slightly coarse. Don't grind it too much time together, because the groundnut will then start releasing its oil. You want a dry powder like this. Now add this powder to your cool rice and mix it all well together. Now for the tempering, put the kadai back on heat. Heat a tablespoon of oil in it. Add some mustard seeds, some urad dal, Channa dal, 2 dry red chillies, a few curry leaves and some hing. Saute everything well together till the dals become nice and crisp. This tempering adds a lovely crunchy taste to your peanut rice. Now pour this tempering on top of the rice. Top it up with some fresh coriander leaves on top. To enhance the taste, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon on top of the rice. Now finally give it all one good mix, so that the salt, lemon, spices, tempering, everything is well mixed and you have an absolutely delicious peanut rice ready for you. I have separately fried 1 tablespoon of peanuts once again to add as a tempering on top. I could have added it along with the other tempering. I forgot, so now I am adding it. So there, your perfectly done peanut rice is now ready. Now for this peanut rice, I am just adding some grated cucumber to beaten curd. Add some fresh coriander leaves to this. A simple tempering for the raita, just a teaspoon of oil, some mustard seeds, urad dal, 1 green chilli chopped, and pour this tempering on top of the cucumber raita. I added a pinch of salt while beating the curd. So our today's lunchbox of peanut rice and cucumber raita is ready for you. Of course, in addition, you can add some fried papad or vadam. Now we are ready to pack our lunchbox with this delicious peanut rice. And a cucumber raita. In our lunch box today, we have some absolutely delicious peanut rice and a cooling cucumber raita to go with it. Of course, although we are making it as a lunch box, for those of us who are at home, we can definitely enjoy this as our lunch too, and we can add in addition some fried fryams, that is vadams or papad. It will be a lovely combo. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.